So in this RBC mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a Visa card using the RBC mobile application. So once you're on the RBC app, I want you to go to where it says open an account under accounts overview, or go to the bottom right, press on more, scroll down to where it says open an account under products, press on that, and then once you're here, press on credit cards. Once you're on the credit cards page right here, if you want to sign up for a Visa card in specific, you're going to have to go ahead and view all the different cards and then go that way. So at the top here, you have popular, travel, rewards, cashback, no fees, low interest in regards to the category of cards. But if you want to go to all cards right here, this is a good way for you to compare and contrast all the different Visa cards at your disposal. So in this case, you can sign up for the RBC Avion Visa Infinite card. If you want to view the card, you can go ahead and kind of view it this way. You can then scroll down to, this is a MasterCard. This one, the RBC Ion Plus Visa card, the RBC Ion Visa card. There's a MasterCard there, another MasterCard there. There's this one, RBC Visa Classic Low Rate Option. There's the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege card. There's the RBC Avion Visa Platinum card. Another MasterCard there. There's the More Rewards RBC Visa card, the More Rewards RBC Visa Infinite card. There's the MOI RBC Visa card, RBC Visa Platinum card. There's the RBC US Dollar Visa Gold card. There's the RBC British Airways Visa Infinite card, the RBC Rates Advantage Visa card, and that is it. So if you want to view one of these cards and you want to apply for one of these cards, so for example, this one right here, the RBC Rate Advantage Visa, if you go ahead and press on the card right here, you can see the annual fee, the purchase rate, as well as the card highlights, etc. And if all looks well on that card, so for example, we'll just go to this one right here at the top. If all looks well and you want to apply, press on the blue apply button and then follow that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to sign up for a Visa card on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.